Welcome to the Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast channel.
Question: how does melanyl-CoA influence fatty acid degradation? Answer: inhibition, at carnitine palmitoyltransferase 1. Question: which isoform of hexokinase is associated with maturity-onset diabetes of the young? Answer: glucokinase. Question: what triad of symptoms is commonly seen in vitamin B complex deficiencies? Answer: diarrhea, dermatitis, glossitis. Question: which receptors are absent or defective in familial hypercholesterolemia, type 2A familial dyslipidemia? Answer: LDL receptor, aka ApoB 100 receptor. Question: how do nicotinamide 8-9 dinucleotide levels change in alcohol metabolism? Answer: increase. Alcohol metabolism forms NADH from NAD+. Question: which functional group on the 3 position of nucleotides attacks the triphosphate bond of the preceding nucleotide? Answer: hydroxyl group. Question: where in the cell does fatty acid synthesis occur? Answer: cytoplasm. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of hemochromatosis? Answer: AR. Question: what type of abnormal products accumulate in lysosomal storage diseases? Answer: sphingolipids. Question: how does the activity of glycogen synthase change in glycogenesis with glucagon regulation? Answer: decrease. Question: what water-soluble vitamin is required by alanine aminotransferase? Answer: vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Question: which fat-soluble vitamin functions to increase bone mineralization? Answer: vitamin D. Question: what is the only lysosomal storage disorder that is X-linked recessive? Answer: Fabry disease and Hunter syndrome. Question: which antiprotease normally inhibits elastase? Answer: alpha-1 antitrypsin. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of metachromatic leukodystrophy? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: which 2 water-soluble vitamins are needed to synthesize vitamin B3, niacin, from tryptophan? Answer: vitamins B2 and B6. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of alkaptonuria? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: what cutaneous changes are seen when there is an excess of vitamin A? Answer: scaliness, alopecia. Question: which form of DNA repair involves specific endonucleases that release the oligonucleotide that contains damaged bases? Answer: nucleotide excision repair. Question: how does the activity of glycogen phosphorylase change in glycogenolysis with ATP regulation? Answer: decrease. Question: how does the activity of carnitine acyltransferase 1 in fatty acid oxidation change with malonyl-CoA regulation? Answer: decrease. Question: what type of mutation is the least severe? Answer: silent. Question: what type of cell contains the intermediate filament desmin? Answer: muscle. Question: which branchial pouches are affected in 22q11 deletion syndromes? Answer: 3rd, 4th. Question: which lipoprotein functions to deliver hepatic triglycerides to peripheral tissue? Answer: very low density lipoprotein. Question: what is the most common autosomal trisomy? Answer: Down syndrome, 1 to 700. Question: what are the 3 aromatic amino acids? Answer: tryptophan, phenylalanine, tyrosine. Question: where in the cell does glycolysis occur? Answer: cytoplasm. Question: which 3 lysosomal storage disorder have an increased incidence in Ashkenazi Jews? Answer: Tay-Sachs, Niemann-Pick, Goucher. Question: which isoform of hexokinase has both lower Km and Vmax? Answer: hexokinase. Question: what water-soluble vitamin is required in the non-oxidative, reversible step of the HMP shunt conducted by transketolysis? Answer: vitamin B1, thiamine. Question: which type of DNA repair is defective in xeroderma pigmentosum? Answer: nucleotide excision repair. Question: what amino acid is glutathione derived from? Answer: glutamate. Question: what is the first aid mnemonic for the intermediates of the urea cycle? Answer: ordinarily, careless crappers are also frivolous about urination. Question: what type of eukaryotic RNA polymerase makes our RNA? Answer: RNA polymerase 1. Question: which cytoskeletal filament is involved in slow axoplasmic transport in neurons? Answer: microtubules. Question: which enzyme is deficient in the lysosomal storage disorder Tay-Sachs disease? Answer: hexosaminidase A. Question, what type of cytoskeletal filament is involved in cytokinesis? Answer, actin, myosin. Question, how does the risk of acute myeloblastic leukemia change in Down syndrome? Answer, increase. Question, what amino acid is nitric oxide derived from? Answer, arginine. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of phenylketonuria? Answer, autosomal recessive. Question, how does the activity of acetyl-CoA carboxylase in fatty acid synthesis change with citrate regulation? Answer, increase. Question, which cellular organelle is the site of steroid synthesis? Answer, smooth ER. Question, which enzyme in the liver cleaves off the last glucose 1-phosphate molecule from a branch in glycogenolysis? Answer, alpha-1,6 glucosidase, debranching enzyme. Question, what receptor on hepatocytes binds to HDL, thereby mediating its uptake? Answer, SRB1. Question, which enzyme involved with DNA replication elongates the leading strand by adding deoxynucleotides to the 3' end? Answer, DNA polymerase 3. Question, what does biotin carry when it is in its activated form? Answer, carbon dioxide. Question, which is the only human enzyme that can reactivate folate? Answer, homocysteine methyltransferase, methionine synthase. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of Fabry disease? Answer, XLR. Question, what vitamin is deficient in beriberi? Answer, vitamin B1, thiamine. Question, how does the activity of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate in gluconeogenesis change with AMP regulation? Answer, decrease. Question, where in the body does gluconeogenesis primarily occur? Answer, liver. Question, what type of septal defect is associated with Down syndrome? Answer, ostium primum type atrial septal defect. Question, which enzyme involved with DNA replication creates a single or double-stranded break in the DNA double helix to add or remove supercoils? Answer, DNA topoisomerase. Question, which nucleoside triphosphate molecule is used to activate tRNA? Answer, ATP. Question, from which ribosomal binding site does the completed polypeptide chain leave the ribosome? Answer, E site. Question, which structural form of chromatin is transcriptionally inactive? Answer, heterochromatin. Question, what vitamin is deficient in pellagra? Answer, vitamin B3, niacin. Question, which amino acid is used to derive vitamin B3, niacin? Answer, tryptophan. Question, how does the activity of phosphofructokinase 1 in glycolysis change with ATP regulation? Answer, decrease. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of autosomal recessive polycystic kidney disease? Answer, AR. Question, which water-soluble vitamin is required for the synthesis of heme? Answer, vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Question, what is the most common lysosomal storage disorder? Answer, Gaucher disease. Question, which enzyme involved with the cross-linking of collagen fibrils is impaired in Menkes disease? Answer, lysosoxidase. Question, which nucleoside dysphosphate molecule is added to sugars to activate them for metabolic reactions? Answer, UDP, uridine diphosphate. Question, what is the treatment for von Gerke disease? Answer, frequent oral glucose, cornstarch, avoidance of fructose and galactose. Question, what is the mechanism of action of butyrate in the treatment of hyperem anemia? Answer, binding to amino acids and leading to their excretion, thereby decreasing ammonia levels. Question, how do increased acetyl coenzyme A levels influence pyruvate carboxylase activity? Answer, activation. Question, what is the shortest phase of the cell cycle? Answer, mitosis. Question, how do decreased insulin levels influence hormone-sensitive lipase activity? Answer, increase. Question, which dyslipidemia is referred to as type 1 dyslipidemia? Answer, hyperchylomicronemia, or hypertriglyceridemia. Question, which cell cycle checkpoint is blocked by p53? Answer, G12S. Question, how does the activity of isocitrate dehydrogenase change in the TCA cycle with NADH regulation? Answer, decrease. Question, which fat-soluble vitamin is highly teratogenic when it is in excess? Answer, vitamin A. Question, which GLUT transporter protein has the highest Km value? Answer, GLUT2. Question, how many carbons are in the essential fatty acid linolenic acid? Answer, 18 to 3. Question, How does insulin influence pyruvate dehydrogenase activity? Answer: activation. Question: how does the risk of atherosclerosis change in hyperchylomicronemia, type 1 familial dyslipidemia? Answer: no increased risk. Question: what is the life expectancy of Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Answer: approximately 20 years old.
Thank you for listening Dr. Izzy's medical podcast series. If you want to support this project, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.